Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Okta MFA for users with Google Authenticator, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Okta admin dashboard. From the admin console, navigate to the Security tab. Select Multi-Factor from the drop-down menu. Click on the Factor Types tab. Locate Google Authenticator in the list. Enable Google Authenticator by toggling the switch to the on position. Now, navigate to the Enrollment tab. Click on User to manage user settings. Select the user or group you want to configure for MFA. In the user profile, find the Multi-Factor section. Click on Add Multi-Factor to initiate the setup. Choose Google Authenticator from the available options. A QR code will be generated for the user. Ask the user to open the Google Authenticator app on their mobile device. Instruct the user to select Add in the app. They should then choose Scan a barcode. The user will scan the QR code displayed in the Okta admin console. After scanning, the app will display a unique 6-digit code. The user must enter this code back into the Okta setup screen. Once the code is validated, MFA setup will be complete. Now, ensure to inform the user that they need to use the Google Authenticator app for future logins. Encourage them to back up their recovery codes provided by Okta. Finally, review the user's permissions to confirm they have appropriate access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.